Welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, another day, another senseless act of violence. Today, we're not going to talk about something that happened in a Spanish Town, or Mobile, or West Kingston, right, or Central Kingston. No, we're going to Portland. Quiet Portland. I'm going to tell you about this incident. I'm also going to be telling you about a monster that is bubbling under the surface in Portland. And if that monster develop, if the claws them reach them full potential, Portland, yes, precious Portland, might not stay so peaceful. Yeah, go on, hero, go on. The victims today, I'm going to talk about are 55-year-old Linval Lindsay and his wife Annette Gibson Lindsay. People know them as Natty and Plummy. They were found, well, at least the wife was found in their one-bedroom boardhouse. The man get fined outside. People have said then, why anybody would want to do Natty and Plummy like this? Well, you see, that part of Portland, Manchonil, Barracks to be specific, you know them local rural area there, right? Enough people them local farming. Right? Well, they have man they farm them yam, they have man they farm them potato. Right? Some people deal with maybe pineapple, some people deal with herbs. Unfortunately, the husband, Linval, was blamed for some missing herbs. Right? And this is the outcome. Them actually go for him. Right? And you know it guy already. Right? He was the main target, but when they come on husband and wife did it, you know it go. Now I have to say, right, I will send some pictures from the scene, and people at Jamaica, them so gruesome, I can't even put them on Patreon. I'm not even going to post those pictures on Patreon. I'm not nobody telling them more than please. Right? I've seen all kind of things, but just make them picture the rest. Right? The man them split the woman face in a two, from her nose down. I don't know what kind of loss, as me say, because you know them rural area, the people do them farming, and you know say man from rural area for them loss. I don't know where them use sharp them loss them, but for them loss walk through tree, it walk through concrete. It so you can imagine what it would do to simply skin and bone. Terrible sight. Imagine say a man look on a woman who could have been granny and still manage to do that. Right. Terrible scenes. Now the husband was quote unquote PH, right? He man a big argument. Right, man sent threat to him. They say him go tell the police them, so the police them supposed to have a name. Right. So, because he was, man know them things I got already. When man things were missing, them tell us them I go do this to you and do this to you. Right. It was reported, but him probably obviously you can't go station and go tell the police say, you know, say me make some man was missing and them come. So I don't know what him tell the police for the motive, but me say he did go report. So hopefully the investigators then get a breakthrough, right? And the couple can get some sort of justice. Portland people, let me talk to you. I know so only used to years and years of peace by Jamaica standards, right? When Spanish Town and Mobile and places get turned upside down. I know so only used to 7 now 8 murders a year. But you see the beasts who are bubbling on Portland right now? You see when things like this start happening, Portland people wake up. You are not immune, right, to ending up like no Mobile, right? Or in St. Catherine. Them place they were once peaceful as well. Spanish Town was once peaceful. Which monster am I talking about? I'm talking about the herbs for gun street with Haiti. The only thing I never know. Just that watch how it build up. Right? So many things like this now I start here so herbs go missing and that's why them take things so personal, because them need them herbs to carry go Haiti if you come back. Right? Come bring weapons back in the country. Now since all our Barbarian places get exposed and known as regular hotspots and them constantly now under pressure, more I go through Portland. Why Portland? Simple, because it's quiet. One thing gonna beat the system, one thing gonna beat the PIA, and I don't know what I go on. And a good while now it a go on. But it has started to get worse, and when you see it, you reach the point where them things that start to happen. I don't know if this herbs is directly linked to the herb going straight, but once you see them things that go on in a Portland is a place where when you hear say people lose their life at Portland, a man and woman thing gone bad. Girlfriend and boyfriend, husband and wife thing gone bad. Them kind of crime scene belong at Spanish Town. Them scene there belong at Salt Spring, Norwood. Them scene there belong in a West Kingston. Portland. I want the Portland people to remember, don't want a couple years down the line, because it's still a peaceful place though by the numbers. I don't want down the line people start jump up so they can't believe what's a Portland are going. This herbs are going to show where the money might use Portland. I know so enough people eat a little food here and there, and in the short term, man a profit. But make sure say it's all worth it when people start drop. We must have same way when the scamming thing first come around. And the first which the man that do it and people that make money and them say, yo, leave it alone because the bad mind make you them eat a food, you still maybe you know. Too much fast money, too much LIQ hands equal trouble. Right? I mean no say the police them don't they know what go on. I know say the police in Portland know what go on a long time. Some of them might even involved. You see the man them get them orders from people all over the island. For example, a man might say them want 5 AK 3-matic. Then put in them order and then the man them go for them. The orders them come from all over the island. So when the weapons them reach back in Jamaica, them can go on St. James, them can go on Kingston, them can go on Hanover, and them can go on St. Catherine anyway. Portland people may want to know. Any little likes one I get now on the things say yes. Right, it's all on the might see couple new car company block and you might see man change out them water boot for one Timberland, right, and life start look good. Make sure so when things go left. Right. You can't say you were not warned. Portland is the last parish in Jamaica that can be considered a bastion against crime. Matter of fact, Portland's blessing is its curse. Portland's blessing in being a peaceful, quiet place is what attract them kind of people here. And obviously because of them geographical location. Right? But enough parish up on the waterline. But Portland, no lipa big surveillance and no police operation now going on Portland because the place quiet. It's ideal. The cycle back in the day, all of be really quiet and then know that. Right, it's well known that there's enough things that go through. Right? Same thing with the Hellshan in place there. So Portland I get more traffic, more business, right? More money I run. Right? You know people that will kiss them teeth. Sorry, people talk about this, so I'm saying a bit of money I run, alright? Something else soon start run. Money I run now, or something else soon start run. Because history has shown what happened. Because in them business, you just need one man to do a bad deal, one man for missing something one for the day. When you see what them do, look on the screen. When you see what them do, them two people there, say all, them left him for watch things and things were missing. So you look like him sell it and the man him go deal with them. Look on the woman. You see she's small? She almost can't fit on them arm. That's how small she is, and the man them have the stomach. Right? For half the woman face. Half it. I've seen all kind of pictures. I've seen all kind of things in a real life, and I'm telling you, this scene is them Utah sniff diet coke, right? Them a drink all kind of rum, whatever them a do. I'm telling you, Portland people have to switch on and know them a do. Right? Because you see, once the ball start roll, nobody think you can stop it, you know. Once you start to have the snowball effect, nobody thinks so you can say, alright, well we don't eat our food now, so I could try to hold it back, it's gone, you know. Right? As I said, I see this happen enough time. I've seen this happen to many communities, right? Many parishes. Place where 10, 15 years ago, it quiet. The snowball effect, right? And it gone bad. Some of the most dangerous places in Jamaica now were once. You could have left your door home. Ask people at Lariston. Ask people in a certain place in Clarendon. Ask people about old time Spanish Town. And people used to leave Kingston. Say them a go to Spanish Town. Go look for a better life. Who remember them days there? When no people are either left Spanish Town or them a build some housing scheme with some wall around it coming like say. Right? I don't know horizon there. Right now Spanish Town are in place there. Law abiding people, citizens who no commit no crime, live in a for them own a jailhouse. Some wall with their own some of them scheme here. When I move around Jamaica, I'm look on some of these schemes and some of these walls with these barbed wires over them. And I say about even the citizens are jailers. And not just man down a GP a jailer, even citizens are jailer. You go look for somebody, and when you tell them you're outside, when you look, you see them have to fly 3-4 grill, them have to fly how much lock. You say, but hold on, where there? Where you living now? And most GP you living now. Right? All citizens should live like this. Man have how much grill and lock and you outside and all the areas, dung 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 dung, ding 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 ding. Man have to pull 5 lock, turn 3 padlock. All so-called free people feel live like this. The Portland people, you see for how much years now, right? When you might escape the whole of grill, right? And whatever. Right? But I warn you, Portland, don't think for a second say you're immune. Don't think for a second say you can't end up. Right? Like the rest of the place in Jamaica. You know, see the foolishness I start? You better start make the call to the right people. Right. Make the call to the right people because I know say this can't go on a Portland and certain police don't know about this. So make sure someone make the call to the right people. And not forget out certain people at the place. This trade, see what this trade do to other places, don't make Portland end up the same. Just remember what you see happen, right, to this woman. Right. Remember what you see happen to Plummy. If you're in a business boat, we know you might in a business boat natty, right, but you might find a little thing now in the hard for Plummy. Right. Try and prevent this thing from getting out of hand and play a dangerous game. Herbs to gun straight. Next thing, enough Portland people, man. Well, enough Jamaican in general, but couple people from Portland sit down in a Haitian cell right now. Sit down in a Haitian cell, family tell BLI, so in Ghana, in a foreign down a cell in a Haiti. Because him carry herbs go and try pick up weapons and Haitian police hold on him. And I tell you right now, you don't want to be in a Haitian cell. You don't want to be in a Haitian cell as a Jamaican. So play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. Haitians ain't going to know for doing over there. Especially in a time like this, when you see Haitians push out them president because of crime and Haitian crime that they know near Jamaican crime. That means that them frustrated and them fed up. So the last thing them want to see is some Jamaican turn up on them shore, right? But then come for no weapon and carry the herbs. And we're going to find out who they serve. Right? And the family going to tell BLI. So in Ghana foreign and me say him take sick over the him take no sick, him go Haiti and the man name live him up and dash him. Right? And if I want to go and get the Shani loot and treatment because sake of fast money, sake of the overnight get rich quick thing, we need to rain down any destruction on the parish or on the country. As long as they can drive on one car with some nice rims and get couple girls, it's all worth it. It's all worth it. No matter if you turn a beautiful parish. Right? in one graveyard, in the matter. As long as we can drive around now in one car and pick up 2 girls, it's all worth it. And wear some nice clothes. So when they go to Haiti, and then £1 or the Haitian 87s them, treating them like chicken parts, nobody come shed no tears or so. Sick on now. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know. More life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.